Hello to my math friends. What I'd like you to do is open to your book creators on Chrome and you're going to do your test reflections. So remember our unit was an end of the year review. Tell me how you rocked the summative and what you're proud of. You can wait a minute before emailing your parents. This is if you're an 83 or and above. If you're below an 83, I want you to look back at your quiz. Tell me, what did you do well, how you can improve. Go ahead, pause the video and do that now. Once you've finished your reflections, what you're going to do is you are going to go to the Daily Digest. On the Daily Digest, you will see the summer math packet. So everybody is going to send a copy of the required summer math packet to Notability. So send a copy that you have there. Go ahead and do that now. The optional packet is if you had signed up for the placement test, or if you're already signed up for summer school, then you're going to send both to Notability. Go ahead and do that now. Once you have your packet into Notability, you're going to click on the little square with the arrow and you are going to email this to your family. This way, when you get home this summer, right, you're not going to do this packet right away. You might not come back to it till about August. It's not very long. It is required and your teacher next year will be looking for it. So you're going to know where to find it, because your parents will say, where's that summer math packet? And you'll say, oh yeah, I emailed it to you. Let's look in your email. So in the email, this is what you can say, right? Write to a family member, here's a copy of our summer math packet. I can complete my summer math packet in Notability or on paper. I can also practice my math in Khan Academy or MathSpace. You have access to both of those this summer. I will share my math packet with my teacher in the fall. Okay, you guys have all done awesome work. You should be proud of your hard work this year. So email that to them now and include this note with your email. You don't have to CC me. You can just send it to your parents. You can also send them your brag boards at the same time. Once you're finished with your email, go back to the Daily Digest and you're going to click on F10.8, this end of the year reflection. Send that to Notability. Once you finish the top part, you don't need to submit it. We're going to submit it next week on Tuesday. What you're going to do is you're going to go back to the Daily Digest to click on where it says watch the video on percents. That's going to help you. You have new con and old con to do. So you're going to do the new con and then go into your past and do the old con. When you're all finished, you can try the Kahoot challenge. That will get you ready for our class Kahoot next week. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. I will see you next week. Once you have it in Notability, you're going to open to your math space, right? Open to the math space task we just did. You're going to see all of these questions in there. What I want you to do is we're reviewing to make sure you're solid from our test we had earlier in the week. So I want you to try a similar question, click through till you find one of each of these types of questions. The PEMDAS question, you might have to go back to 2 math spaces ago to find it, but the other ones you should be able to find. So click on the question and then scroll down to try a similar. A lot of you are still reviewing for your retake on Tuesday, so this will help you. Go ahead and do that now. I almost forgot to mention, if you don't have Google Sheets yet, we're going to use that on Tuesday to make a circle graph. So you can go to the app catalog and get it. If you want to play around, if you have extra time after you do the Kahoot challenge, you can play around with Google Sheets to try to make a graph there. We're going to do that next week. Okay, thanks for watching.